Well, the sun's back out and the skeeters are gone. Maybe we can get to work on this egret. I work as an assistant to my dad, and so some of the stuff that I do is breaking down scaffolding, retrieving water, paint, rags, brushes, some of the stuff my dad might need to complete the mural. And you might have seen in other videos, the truck has been converted to be used as mobile scaffolding. So it was a ladder rack that we put scaffold boards on, fastened them down, and so now we use that on the truck. So I'll move the truck around for my dad as he needs. Painting murals is very labor intensive, and my father, he's going to be 66 this year, and so you know, both him and me want him to be able to paint murals for as long as he wants to. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like for more content.